everybody, welcome to this month's DIY Crafternoon instruction video. I have a couple of helpers with me for this month. This is Vivian and this is Penny, and they'll be helping me make the melted bead Suncatcher. If you picked up a craft kit at the library, you will have received a paper liner and a number of beads. And we are going to demonstrate today using a silicone liner that we have here at home. So it won't be exactly like what you are going to get. But if you do have these silicone liners at home that you do not use for food or that you no longer want to use for food, these are a great thing to use for these melted bead Suncatchers. You can get multiple shapes and they're pretty inexpensive as well, and then you can reuse them over and over again. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to decide on your design, which Penny and Vivian have decided on their design already. And then you're going to take your beads and you're going to put them into your mold. Now guys, when we put them in, we're going to want to make sure they're as tight in here as possible. So you're going to take your beads and you're going to lay them flat, or you can also lay them on the side. So you can lay them on their sides too. But we want to make sure they're nice and tight. So Penny and Vivian are going to work on their design, and we'll come back, we'll show you the design, and then we're going to bake it. Okay, Penny and Vivian, have you completed your design?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look.
There it is, the beautiful.
Okay, and see how we have some that are up and some on their sides, but it is a nice tight fit, not a lot of spaces. So now we are going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. Keep an eye on it. When they are all melted, you can take them out. And please, please remember to open all of your windows and doors in your kitchen when you are baking this, because all right, we have taken our melted bead Suncatcher out of the oven. It was in there for about 25-30 minutes, nice and melted. Now we are letting it cool on a cooling rack, and you'll kind of hear it popping. And once it's cool, we will take it out of its mold. Okay, welcome back. We are finished. We have our finished product here. You can finish it completely off by drilling a hole in it and hanging it with a piece of fishing line or string. Thank you guys so much for helping me today. And thank you for joining us for our DIY Crafternoon this month. Next month, it will be squeegee art. So we will be doing a canvas with dots of paint and taking a ruler and squeegeeing it down to make really cool artwork for our wall. All right, Vivian, you had something else you wanted to say.
Yes.
Okay.
If you are YouTuber, subscribe to Franklin Public Library.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
The end.
The
Bye-bye.
end. Bye-bye and happy crafting.
Goodbye.